Hey guys, today we will learn about the list view, the basic general ideas of the list view, how we can use the different types of list view in Flutter. So let's start. I have created only the basic scaffold and app bar. So let's build by using the list view of the three methods that it contain the generate, builder, and separate it. So when it is used and how it can use, let me show you. By creating, I'm creating a tab controller, as you see in WhatsApp and many other apps, like they have tabs. So let's have it because I want to implement. I want to show you the three list view how it creates, right? So the default tab controller expects the length and the child. So let me create a tab list. You must be specific with the types. Tab list of, let's say I'm using a builder and let's have a separated. So generate, I will tell you in the tab bar itself. Let me show you tab list dot length, and it expects the child. So basically I'm using a child of scaffold. The generic idea is that because scaffold we can use inside the default tab controller, because in the app bar we have to define the tabs, right? So in bottom parameter we can have the preferred size. So basically the app bar the app bar also extends from the preferred size widget, but in the bottom we have to mention the preferred size because it have the specific size of the tab bar, right? So the preferred size of, let's say I'm having the height of K toolbar. So basically the K toolbar height is nothing but the 56, which is default by the component of the app bar. And okay, it also expects something, a child. Yep. So child, in this child we should have the tab bar, right? Okay. So in tab bar we can have the tabs. Okay, so the tabs basically we have to use the list dot generate as is expects the children. So list dot generate is return the children of the widgets, right? So the length is same, the tab bar tab list, and the index. So basically the index should be, we have just like this, and I'm giving text of this tab list of index, right? Let's give some of the style so that you can see it clearly. The font size of 20. Okay, and should have a padding. Okay, just control S and you should view the design. Okay, so in this way the list or generate will work. Let's restart it. Okay, as you see the builder and separated tab bar is created. You can have the all the necessary parameters like initial index and animation duration, whatever. And we can we see here a certain height, so it must be due to the key toolbar. So I'm using a into 0.5 so it can reduce. And also, yeah, so the list of generate, basically the idea is that we have to build the we have to return the children of the widgets. So basically it returns the children, right? Children of what? This padding widget. Okay, so in this way the list or generate will work, but make sure it can't scroll. So either you can row the you can develop this list or generate by using a row and column also, because a row have the children and column have the children. So you can have this children to return this list or generate to return that children. Okay. Okay, so list dot generate, and we can give the length of the tab list. So next we have to make the tab bar view. So for the tab bar view, we should have this body of this scaffold. So scaffold ends here, so body must be here, and let's give the tab bar view. So to display the builder and separate it. So I created a tab bar, that's why, because of the use of the three methods of the list view. The tab bar view, if you don't know the parameters, then click on this bulb, and the children, okay, let's give the children like this, and I should have, I have the two children. Okay, so I'm creating the first the child of the list dot builder. So it expects the item builder, that means we have to pass the context and the index basically. Okay, this is the first child, and second child should be the list dot separated. Separated also contains the item builder, and the separated builder same the context and index, and the necessary parameter is the item count. Okay, so item count, let me give this 50. Okay, so as you see here, list.builder is basically doesn't require the item count and no other necessary parameter other than this item builder. Okay, okay, so we have to open this, and we have to open this. Okay, to return the return the widgets. Okay, so right here I'm using a list style for now, so to display directly. So this must be, let's say, a text of this index. Okay, and semicolon. Same goes to here. And the separated builder, the idea of the separator builder is that which widget you want to separate it out. Okay, so what you have to return at the end of this text widget. Okay, so basically the divider can be used here for the separation, and I'm having this a height of 4 and let's say a thickness of 2. Okay, so this is the okay, we have to return this. So this is the divider widget that I have returned. Let's give a const. Okay, so the error is right here because I have not used the return keyword. Okay, so this way the list way dot builder, and as you see here, the item code is not exist in this list view builder. That means it goes to the infinity scroll till you scroll the list view. It generate automatically whatever the length of this widget. Okay, so let's restart it so you can understand clearly what how it works. Okay, so no error, and yeah, as you see here, the height is also decreased, and yep, this is the builder widget that the list dot builder, the first child of the tab bar view, and the second is that a list view dot separated. As you see here, the separation is created by using this divider. That's why it is called a list view dot separated. Okay, so I have give this the count of 50. So as you see, 0 to 49. So it comes as usual. Right, we code. Okay, so you can either tab this tab bar view, or also you can have a scroll it. So in this way, the three methods can use. So list dot generate is basically for it does not contain scroll, but as usual is generate the children of the widgets. And the list dot builder, you want to build at the runtime. You don't know the specific height of that, the basically the count of the list. So you can have the logic inside here. So that time you will use the list dot builder, and you want if you want any separation out of the list view, then you can use the list view dot separate. So that's it for this video. With the help of tabbar view, we have given information about the list or list methods. So thank you for watching this video, and yep, happy learning. Thanks.